In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram story not uploaded. Something went wrong with your upload. Please try again later. Retry upload problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, make sure that you are using Instagram up-to-date version. For checking this, go to Play Store, search Instagram, click on Instagram, up-to-date your Instagram if available in update version from here. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, click on Instagram, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Save. Now click on create icon. Hello, hello, story. Share. Done. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram story not uploaded. Something went wrong with your upload. Please try again later. You can see that story uploaded. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.